Hey y'all, so today, well right now, I'm about to be showing you guys how to make instant locks. Instant permanent locks. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make instant permanent locks that can be attached to your natural hair. So what you're going to do is, hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, hey everybody, if you're new to my channel, my name is Nelly. Hey y'all, if you are new, hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make locks, permanent instant. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make permanent lock extensions. What I mean by that is you make a lock that can be...
Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make permanent lock extensions. Now to do this, you're going to need crochet hooks. I got this from Amazon. You get 3 in the pack and I paid $15 for them. You get the 1, 2, and 3 prong. See? You're going to need some afro hair. And that's it. So in order to do this, what I do is I take the hair. This hair goes a long way, so you really don't need a lot. And I'm making these really small for the client that I'm making these for. So what I do is I stretch the hair out as far as I need it to go. I like to use the 2 prong hook, this one, because it's easier. And then the 3 prong, it usually makes it tighter. And then I go back in with the single prong to make sure everything is like tight and secure. So you see how I made this indentation here with this 2 prong? So you would basically want to go in and do that the whole way down the lock. It's really time consuming, but at the same time, it's really easy. You want to make sure you go through the entire lock and make sure there's no gaps or thin spaces within the lock, because when you put these in your client's hair, they're going to be flimsy, and then when you wash them, they're going to stretch. You don't want them to stretch. You want them to be as thick and solid as possible. With no gaps in between. I find this to be really cool and fun to see it go from afro hair to a lock. And like I said, this hair goes a long way. You can stretch it as much as you need to. And I'm only making about 30 locks, and I already did 25. But you don't want to rush this. You want to take your time, because you want the consistency to be where it needs to be. You don't want to have one good lock and then have one lazy lock. Your client's not going to come back to you. And take your time. When you do this, it comes with speed. And if you try to start off doing this and you try to go fast, you're gonna cut your fingers up. Cause I remember when I first started doing this and I was using the single prong, but the ones I was using did not have this wooden peck on there, and I would cut my fingers up a lot. And when I say it's not pretty, it's not pretty. It hurts. Okay, it hurts. And it made me not want to do it anymore. But like I said, speed comes with time, so just take your time and then work your way up to the speed. But with these that have the wooden handle on it, I like these a lot better than the ones without. See how I made this lock within, I'm going to say 5 minutes, but I'm pretty sure it's a lot longer than that. But when you get the lock to the desired length that you want, you're going to want to leave some hair out at the top so that you can attach it to your client's hair. But with this, I'm going for a 12-inch, so I'm going to add a little more hair to this once I'm finished. But to move quicker, what I tend to do is I'll form all the locks that I need and then go back in and tighten them up. That way I'll get done quicker. Like I said, I procrastinate a lot and this is very time consuming. So I try to get as much done when I can at the given time. And my client wants her locks. Her locks are really small, so I had to make some really small locks. But right now, all I'm doing is going through them to making sure they're all tight and secure the way they need to be.